Hello everyone. Today we're delving into Biolean on Daac Reviews. We've crafted a comprehensive review video covering everything you need to know before purchasing Biolean. Stay tuned for crucial alerts throughout the video to avoid mistakes in using or buying Biolean. The first thing to note about Biolean is to be cautious about the website where you purchase it, as it's exclusively sold on the official site. The link is provided in the video description. So, what is Biolean? And does it really work? The answer is yes. Biolean has proven effective through extensive laboratory testing. It's an honor to introduce Biolean, a completely new and revolutionary natural solution supporting healthy weight loss. Each capsule contains a unique and personalized formula with high-quality ingredients. You can trust this product, with numerous testimonials on the official site attesting to the significant results achieved by many. However, keep in mind that individual bodies react uniquely, requiring realistic expectations. An important aspect to note before purchasing Biolean is the 60-day trial period. If you don't see results or are unsatisfied for any reason, they offer a money-back guarantee. Ensure your safety by buying Biolean from the official site. To experience Biolean's benefits, take the treatment seriously, consuming 1 capsule daily. Initial results may be visible in the first month, but optimal results often occur after 2 months due to its gradual effect. Importantly, Biolean is natural and has no side effects. In conclusion, this video serves as a cautionary guide for purchasing Biolean and emphasizes the importance of following the treatment seriously. Remember that individual results may vary, and Biolean holds the potential to significantly improve lives with its various benefits. Don't forget to check out the official product site linked in the description for more content like this. Subscribe, like, and thank you for watching this video. See you soon.